737 Max 8. I'm going to shut my mouth and I'll let you listen to the...
Oh, we're on the Max tomorrow. Or EasyJet.
Anyway, enjoy.
Okay, going from Gatwick, I think.
This is going to Alicante. Although this Max is noisy, it's incredible. Listen to that. And off we go. Watch it. Now this plane, folks, is extremely takeoff quick. See, the gears can go up and down.
Southend Tower GTTNM Bravo Alpha 682 heavy continue for east departure.
I think I pressed the VIA button. Look at this turn, look at that turn, look at it, look at it. Love this front plane, folks. Look at the light on the wing as well, absolutely beautiful. EasyJet. Operating for no 320s, unfortunately, but no Max this time. She will be based out of Southend, I think. And probably go to Gatwick, I don't know. We're on our way, folks, to Alicante. My mic was turned off. Let the audio cut off for a second. As you can see, we're on our way to Alicante now on the 737 Max 8. Beautiful sound as well, folks, I have to admit. The takeoff was absolutely fast as well. It can take off from Southend, the old Max, but yeah, it's so nice to see a Max here. Okay. Alright, cool. Folks, before